Welcome to the TAMIU-LBV Literacy Partnership. This is going to be a very brief video to get you started. Welcome again, and we are so excited to have you officially on board. So you should have received a tutor onboarding and training sequence handout. If you did not receive this welcome handout, whether in a hard copy or in your email, please visit the partnership office. You will need this handout as we proceed through the steps and your continued training. Please follow along as we proceed and check off each item as you complete them. You have already attended the TAMIU HR orientation. This is a mandatory orientation as part of your hiring process that is given by HR. You're going to proceed later today with our partnership orientation. So make sure that you do realize there were two parts to the orientation, your mandatory HR, and then in a little while what you will be continuing with as our partnership orientation. Please note that the time that you spent with TAMIU HR for the orientation, feel free to jot it down on your welcome handout or another area. You will need this information to input into your Workday timesheet. So again, the time that you spent with TAMIU HR for their orientation, hiring orientation, will be needed later this week or next week as you will be submitting your timesheets. You should also have been provided with a training binder. If you were not provided with a tutor binder or tutor training binder, please visit the partnership office to receive one. This will be very important information to follow along and make notes as you proceed with trainings. We also have headsets available, so if you do need a headset, please visit the partnership office to check out a set. Again, this welcome video will be very brief. We're going to give you just a couple tasks to complete. And as we provide the directions right now, please pause the video as directed and complete those tasks. The first thing that you will need to do is to get access to Homebase. You'll need to download the Homebase app, and you can access Homebase through your computer, but please note you cannot clock in with your computer, and you will need to be clocking in. So if you need to right now, go ahead and download the Homebase app. Then once you do that, you will go ahead and clock in. Please message Andrea or email Andrea if you did not receive an email from Homebase with credentials or login information. Using Homebase is a partnership requirement. And also note that your Homebase clock-ins and outs do not automatically transfer to your Workday timesheets. So Homebase is a partnership requirement. This is how Andrea will be verifying your work hours. And then every other Thursday, you will need to submit your timesheets through Workday, which is a separate process. But Homebase, as you clock in and out, will help you keep track of your hours worked. Pause the video at this time to complete this step if you haven't done so already. Now let's continue with our Remind app. So Remind is used for mass messaging from supervisors to our tutors. It is also a platform to be able to message directly with your supervisors and other tutors. You'll need to download the app, and you can also access Remind on your computer. Once you've downloaded or accessed it on your computer, you'll go ahead and create an account. Your phone number stays confidential. That information can't be seen by anyone using the Remind app. Then you'll need to join the class that's called Staffed. Throughout the recorded trainings that you will be viewing these next couple of days, you'll be asked to pause the video and submit responses. You can use Remind or email to submit your responses. Pause the video at this time to complete this step if you haven't already. Now you are ready. So you're going to continue with your train track trainings. HR provided you with a list of those required trainings. And once you've finished all of your train track trainings, please message Andrea. Also note that the number of hours that you can complete in 1 week. Work study tutors, you cannot exceed 15 hours a week, and our LBV grant tutors cannot exceed 19 hours a week. Please keep an eye on your time as you complete your trainings so that you do not go over your maximum number of hours. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to come by the office or message Andrea or Monica through Remind. Once again, welcome to the TAMIU-LBV Literacy Partnership. We're going to take the next couple of days to get you prepared for tutoring, and then you will be ready to start meeting your students very soon.